I'm just scared that over time, like me playing with it like this, when I'm stressed out, I might mess up the water beads. Hey Princess Squad, it's T, and I'm back here with a school supplies haul, but fidget school supplies only. I got stuff from Target, Dollar Tree, and Five Below. There were so many cute school supplies, but I had to only get the fidget school supplies only because I wanted to do an ASMR review video for you guys to see if these fidgets really work. Lots from Target, now Dollar Tree, just a few items. And last but not least, Five Below. Oh my goodness, I laid all of this out and it looks like so much. Each store had a little bit. I'm sure there was more stuff, but this is what I was able to find in my school shopping trip. And let's start with Target. Target had a lot of zipper pencil pouches. So this one, they had it in 3 different colors. So 1, 2, and this last color here, 3. So whichever one you like. They also have this here. And this one you can put inside your binder. So you have 2 options for that. And then they also have like a harder case, and these are all poppets. Then Target also has rulers in different colors. I only grabbed 2. Of course, I had to get the Tiffany blue one and this pink one. And I think there was like another pencil topper thing at Target, but I couldn't find it. So that was my Target. So then I went to Dollar Tree, and oh my goodness, so cute, these notebooks. And you guys know which one my favorite is, this one, but this heart purple one is super duper cute too. They also had this keychain here that you could put to your backpack. I love it. I might put it to my purse. And then this butterfly pencil. It's kind of kitty, but I wanted to grab one just to like try it out. I think there was like a dinosaur and other ones, but this was the cutest one I liked. And then I went over to Five Below. And oh my goodness, water beads, you guys. All of these are poppets, but these are water beads. So this is like a pencil pouch water bead. And then they had a notebook journal water bead. Super cool. We can test this out in a bit. And then of course there's pencil. This is like a fidget pencil topper. And there's different kinds here. And then there's a pen. And last but not least, a poppet journal. They have these in different colors, but you guys know I went and bought this cute one here. It's not quite Tiffany blue, but it's close enough. There's so much clutter, so let's make some space. All right, we're just going to start with our items from Target. So I'm gonna start out with this ruler. Open it up. And here we have it, ta-da! Our ruler poppet. I don't know how actually useful this is because it's kind of like flimsy to be like a ruler. I mean, I figure if you want to measure something in school, you want it to like stand up, but it doesn't. But we're gonna test out the poppet here. And I noticed with poppets, there's always one side that works better than the other, but we're just gonna give it a try. And full disclaimer, I do have these nails that I love. And my long nails and these poppets don't really work really well. So I am going to have Sparkles, who is filming this video behind the camera, pop these poppets and test it for you guys. I'll be right here listening and we could do a review. Okay, it is not good this way, so we're gonna flip it around, and I bet you it pops so much better this way. I knew it! It did not pop well this way and popped super great the other way. So this was $3 and I'm going to rate it. I like the color, but I don't like how flimsy it is because I feel like you can't really use it as a roller and how it only works one way versus the other. So I'm going to give this a fail. Moving on, we have these Pop Fidget Pouch. Like I said, it came in different colors. The back is kind of cool also, but it's nice and flat. So we're gonna test these out to see if it pops better one way versus the other. That didn't pop very well, so let's open it up. I'm going to unzip it and let's pop it the other way to see how it sounds. So as expected, the inside popped better than the outside, but I will say the overall quality of this is like pretty sturdy, and it's like big enough for you to fit a lot of things in here. If you don't mind that the noise is louder once you open it and pop it on this side, then it will pass my test. And the price isn't too bad. It's $5, so not too bad for these items here. And like I said, it came in like 3 different designs, so just pick out which one you like. Next up, we're going to try this harder pencil box. Not bad, not bad. So I have an idea. Let's open it up, and we are going to try the other side and see. Okay, so overall for this item, it popped pretty decent in the front and the back, and I do like it how it's like hard, but the only downfall to this case is it was $12.99 versus $5. So totally up to you, it's your school supplies, but I will say that this one passed my pop it test. Next up, these zipper pouch for your binder. We're going to try this one here. I don't know how I feel. Let's unzip it and see. Okay, that actually wasn't too bad. And I actually find this one super duper cute. And it is $7, so not too terrible. All right, now let's test out the fidget school supplies I got from Five Below. We're gonna start off with this water bead sensory journal. Okay, I'm actually kind of liking this. I like the colors and it feels really nice. The only thing I don't like is I feel like over time, if I like keep playing with it, maybe the water beads will get crushed. I don't know, but I do like it and I do approve of this item. Now time to test out this sensory zipper pouch. So this is super cool. I mean, I know you're supposed to put school supplies in here, but I feel like I could put makeup brushes in here, other things. I do like the color and it is very satisfying. But like I said earlier, I'm just scared that over time, like me playing with it like this, when I'm stressed out, I might mess up the water beads, but right now I do approve this purchase for $3.25. Next up, fidget twirl pen. This thing is kind of cool. Like, I actually really like it. Like, so satisfying. $3.25. Way to go, Five Below. I do like this purchase. I approve. Now let's test out these fidget pencils. So first of all, these are mechanical pencils. And not too bad. For $3.25 for 4 fidget pencils, I approve. Last but not least, let's test this $5 Pop It Fidget Notebook from Five Below. Not bad. Let's open it up. Better. Last but not least, Dollar Tree. So they have these at Dollar Tree for $1.25. I'm still upset that Dollar Tree is $1.25. I'm gonna keep saying in every single video, but you know, inflation. So here we have it. I'm going to go ahead and open up this purple one here. I love the heart. I was kind of between the purple and the teal, but we're just gonna go with the purple one. This cute little notepad book here, and let's test out the poppets. No, let's flip it around and see. Yeah, it's probably better this way. This didn't pop as well as I thought it would pop, but it is still super cute. And after you're done, I guess you can like cut this part out. And for $1.25, not too bad. So this is a pass. All right, time to test this cute coin purse out. And we have this coin purse, which actually ended up being better than I thought it would be. It popped pretty decent on both sides, and for $1.25, you can't beat that. Okay, time to check out this pencil. We have this butterfly pencil. I will rate this a pass. For $1.25, not too bad. It's a pen and it pops and it's cute. Okay, so that was all the school supplies that are fidgets from those store. You leave a comment down below to let me know which one your favorite fidget school supplies was, because mine was this pen from Five Below. It's super cool and super satisfying. I love it. Alrighty, you guys, don't forget to follow us on our TikTok and Instagram at PrincessSquad.Official for more content. And also remember to dream big, have fun, and be kind. Bye!